everybody, it's been a little while since we posted a video. We've been kind of busy with everything going on in the world with online classes, but I hope y'all are staying safe and having good luck out there. But we are finally back with another build, so let's get it introduced.
So this right here is a mid-70s to early 80s Manco Thunderbird mini bike. And we got some cool plans for this thing. We got a bunch of parts from Gopowersports for this thing. We have a tilt stand that we're gonna build. We have these nice Kenda tires. We got a Z50 tank off of eBay. And then we have a seat that we're gonna have to customize to fit this thing.
Yeah, so this build's gonna be a little bit different. I hope you like the slant engine style of this thing and bigger tires. We're gonna go for a stretch, and we're trying to make this thing look like a cafe racer. So it's gonna be, you know, red tank, brown seat, and we're gonna have a cool tan cream color for the frame. We're really just trying to make this thing as pretty as possible with some power to back it up. So let's just get started.
Just gonna start by stripping this thing completely down and getting a better idea of how this frame looks. So the first thing to go is gonna be the seat. Pull the engine out, and now it's time to see how this Predator looks. So, yeah. That'll look pretty good.
Ah, yeah,
it's got,
dude.
like, perfect clearance right there.
That is stuffed in there. I love the slant too, huh?
And then we can kind of look at our gas tank too. Yeah, that fits. That's pretty nice.
Right on. Oh, dude, that is killer. Kind of looks like a little bit of like a sport bike on there. Yeah, now that's massive.
Huge, but we'll shorten it down.
That's gonna get scaled down. Jason's gonna work some magic on sewing there.
Yep.
But I hope y'all get the idea. We'll lower the handlebars a little bit, and we also got to stretch the back so the back tire goes beyond the back of the seat. So it kind of has more of a, I mean, for example, kind of more like that.
Looks like we're building a bike for Captain America.
Yeah, right now.
See a white frame and a red, white, and blue.
That'd be pretty cool. Also, for y'all enthusiasts who really like this Tecumseh, I mean, it runs all right and stuff, and it's all good. Like, this is a great stock bike, but that's not really what we do here. I think we are going to sell this engine on eBay or something, though, so it's not going to get, like, thrown away or anything. But, you know, this is kind of more what we do.
Like that. I think that's pretty mint.
No, I really like that. And then we got, that's a decent amount of space right there.
Yeah, we might maybe bring the tire up like an inch, but we'll have to figure it out.
Dang. So we decided to lengthen this thing a little bit. She's a little unstable because it was so narrow, and this thing's gonna have a lot of power, so lengthening it is gonna help, and it looks really cool. I mean, our wheelbase is about as long as like an MB200 now, so no issues there. So now we need to connect this gap down here. So it's as simple as just cutting a piece of tubing and welding it in. Totally digging how this thing's looking. We got this all welded up, and it is a little bit, it's long and it looks nice, but unfortunately there's kind of like a big gap in here. That's something we can't fix. So what we're gonna do is we're adding this kind of triangulation right in here. And that's gonna give us, bar fits in just like so. And that's gonna fill in a little bit of the frame, and it's gonna give us kind of that cafe racer character line. A lot of them have bars that go back just like that.
So here's our old seat. As y'all can see, it's not that great. It's made out of mostly duct tape. So we bought this seat with hopes that it just work, but it's way too big. It's more meant for a motorcycle. So right now I'm just taking it apart. I have my template, and I'm gonna need to cut down the foam to fit this.
Shaping up nice?
Yep. Yeah, unfortunately we can't really find a way to staple this down up here with it looking nice for the engine, or the gas tank, but glue seems to work.
Cool. Yeah, man. That's gonna be looking good. I got these bars welded in. And we got the engine mocked up. Woo!
So before we do the handlebars, we're gonna move this fender a little bit forward so that it pokes out less in the rear, kind of like cafe racers. And then we'll get our handlebars kind of chopped down and angled down more, kind of add to that forward look.
Yeah, what are you thinking of it so far though?
It's definitely looking really cool. I think the stretch and everything's gonna come together really good and make it look like a complete bike. So the fender's off, and we definitely didn't plan this, but if you flip it around, it fits perfectly.
Yeah, that's kind of exactly the...
Just how we wanted.
Yeah, here, show us a before and after, just kind of... That's...
So this is before.
See how it's got that overhang?
Bad.
Yeah.
After. Good.
Mint. Alright guys, I hope you're getting our idea. So we're kind of going for that asymmetrical look.
So we got our new custom handlebars on and the seat that Jason made.
Yeah, looks awesome.
And with the tank, it looks really good.
Yeah, have a seat on there.
See?
What are we thinking, huh?
Positioned up.
It looks kind of goofy with our big butts on it, but
Oh yeah.
that's sweet.
I feel like I'm on just a little death trap.
Seriously. Cool. So now all we gotta do is we'll mount up that gas tank and we'll have pretty much exactly what we're looking for.
So we welded a bolt to the seat pan right here, and that holds in the back, and then we have a bolt welded to the tank coming down through the frame that's bolted in the front. So this thing is super sturdy, and the tank's in the right position. So now the seat just mounts up
Yeah.
right here.
Pretty sweet. We just reuse that stock of the bolt holes, so it's got 3 bolts holding that in. Pretty nice.
Now that everything's bolted up, we'll get the engine mounted so we can get some nice beauty shots of this thing, and then we can wrap this video up.
Thank you for watching. I hope you're liking the direction of this build as much as we are. It's turning out really killer. Some of my favorite parts are just how the tank looks with that motor, and then I really like the handlebars we did. I think it turned out pretty good. And Jason always kills it, of course, with the seat. So, and let us know in the comments what you're thinking. Our videos are going to be pretty much up to date now. Just so y'all know, like, the workings of what we have going on, we're actually looking at relocating because we're all getting older and stuff. You know, Joe's almost done with grad school. We're getting to that point to kind of move on to the next chapter of Build Break Repeat, and I think that's going to include a new garage. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be coming very soon. So basically, what we're going to do is we have pretty much 3 really cool builds, including this one, that we're going to be posting to basically hopefully ramp us up for the opening of our new garage. That's going to include this, the electric cart, and then a rotary project. So stay tuned to Instagram for that. But anyways, thank you all for watching. Thank you, Gopowersports. Stay tuned for the rest of this thing. We have a pretty cool idea of how we're going to make it look super clean, so be sure to stay tuned on Instagram for that, for a sneak peek. But thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.